where the shadows dance. We throttle down the streets, chasing chance. Leather jackets flapping with freedom's embrace. The hum of the engine feels like a warm embrace. Riders on the open road, we're howling at the moon. With the stars as our witness, we'll be rocking till the noon. Through the valleys and mountains, we'll carve our own way. Like whispers of the wind, we just can't help but sway. From city lights to the dusty trails, every mile a story, every heart unveils. Side by side, we laugh in the rain. With the world behind us, we're losing the pain. Riders on the open road, we're howling at the moon. With the stars as our witness, we'll be rocking till the noon. Through the valleys and mountains, we'll carve our own way. Like whispers of the wind, we just can't help but sway. And when the sun sets low and the night draws near, we'll gather around the fire, let go of our fears. With the strum of a guitar, we'll sing our own song. In the rhythm of the night, we'll know where we belong. So here's to the riders, wild spirits so free, with the heart of a lion and dreams by the sea. We'll chase the horizon till the morning light. With love in our engines, we'll ride through the night. Riders on the open road, we're howling at the moon. With the stars as our witness, we'll be rocking till the noon. Through the valleys and mountains, we'll carve our own way. Like whispers of the wind, we just can't help but sway. Yeah, we'll riders on the open road, let the world see us roam. With every twist and turn, we'll find our way back home. So saddle up, my friends, let's start this great show. With the wind in our hair, we'll forever let it flow.
In the heart of the brotherhood, under the Masonic light, a group of master masons riding through the night. Through the winds and the rain, they ride as one. With every mile we ride, we plant the seed. So let the engines roll and the road stretch wide. The widow's sons ride on with honor and pride. In the rhythm of the brotherhood, the legacy will last. The widow's sons forever, forever, forever widow sons. So let the engines roar and the road stretch wide. The widow's sons forever, forever widow